In the heart of a sun-drenched meadow, three bullocks lived in perfect harmony. Whether grazing on sweet clover or resting under the midday sun, they moved as a single soul. Their horns were a fortress of bone and strength. Whenever a shadow flickered at the edge of the woods, they instantly locked into a protective circle. They were not just friends. They were an unbreakable wall of unity that ruled the golden field. Nearby, a lion watched from the tall grass, its golden eyes fixed on the trio. With a sudden roar, it lunged, but the bullocks turned as one, a wall of sharp horns. The lion skidded to a dusty halt, hissing in frustration before retreating. The lion realized that to feast, he must first break the bond that held them together. Strategy replaced strength. The lion waited until the others were drinking at the creek. He leaned in close, his breath hot and foul against the bullock's ear. "Your companions mock your slow pace behind your back," the lion whispered. The black bullock stiffened, a seed of resentment taking root. He looked at his friends with new, suspicious eyes. Without a word, he turned away, walking to the far edge of the field. The circle was broken. The lion waited for dusk, the hour of shadows. He spotted the brown bullock, claws extended. The lion sprang. The bullock tried to bolt, but there were no friends. He was driven into the dark woods and silenced. Next, the lion cornered the white bullock against a rocky outcrop. A heavy swipe of the lion's paw sent the animal fleeing in a blind panic. Finally, only the black bullock remained in the center of the empty field. He heard the rustle of leaves and saw the golden predator emerge. He looked for his brothers, but the meadow was silent. With a final, powerful pounce, the lion struck. The price of pride was paid in full.